Good day to you from all of us here at Rivet Nut USA, a division of Cardinal Components. We're proud to introduce today the B107, the second generation battery cordless tool for installing rivet nuts from Bollhoff. Rivet Nut USA, a division of Cardinal Components, is a proud authorized preferred distributor of Bollhoff, and let's get into it. This is the B107. There's also the upgraded sister, the B109, which has additional quality features, and I'll walk you through those as we unpack this tool. And then we'll do a few installs of an M6 rivet nut. I'm going to take the B107 out of the nice injection molded case. You can see that it's very ergonomic. It has a hook for balancing on a zero gravity reel balancer, which is nice in a fixed work environment. Makita batteries are what power this unit, so they're easy to source and inexpensive to replace. In order to turn it on, I simply pull the trigger, and then you'll see a flashlight comes on to show the workpiece, and also the control panel, which offers information like how much power is being applied to the install, battery life, counters such as how many have I installed, counters to the next maintenance cycle, and it also shows error codes in case we have to troubleshoot. These tools come with a warranty and are able to be repaired by Bollhoff's in-house tool lab, where they employ technicians who only work on Bollhoff tools. It's a great feature to have in your back pocket after you make your initial tool purchase. The sister, the B109, comes with a couple of quality upgrades. Number one, it comes with a clear back, which lights up green for good install, red for bad install, and also its control panel is able to talk with a laptop for additional quality metrics and monitoring, which some quality departments appreciate. Now we're ready to do a M6 rivet nut install. So we first have to get our mandrel and anvil, which are the two things that you need in order to install different thread sizes. This would be the M6 mandrel, and this would be the M6 anvil. If I were to do other thread sizes, I'd need to buy the thread size appropriate, or the mandrel and anvil appropriate for that thread size. We're going to take the nose piece off of the B107, and then we're going to take the stainless mandrel collet off of the B107. I now have the mandrel in my hand. I'm going to slide it into the collet, and I'm going to put it back on the tool. The mandrel will self-locate in the collet and secure itself. You can confirm that by spinning it, and now you know it's ready to roll. I'll put the nose piece back on, and the nose piece has receiving threads for the anvil. I'm going to spin the anvil into the nose piece, and I will secure it in place with a wrench. The tool's now set up to do an M6 install. I'm going to grab my M6 rivet nut. The tool turned off, so I'll turn it back on. And this tool has an auto feed feature. The rivet nut auto fed onto the tool. I've already preset it to 12.5 kilonewtons because I know that's the appropriate amount for this rivet nut. If I wanted to change it, I would go into the menu and I could increase it to 18, or I could decrease it all the way down to 3. In this case, I know 12.5 is appropriate. I'm going to lock in the 12.5, and now I'm going to press the trigger, and that will initiate the install sequence, which will result in a bulge or an upset or an installed rivet nut. It auto feeds off. I can use to simulate my material thickness. This is about a 1 millimeter thick washer. I can put it onto the rivet nut, auto feed the rivet nut onto the tool. Let's say that this is the application, then I would install it with the washer acting as my application. And you can see that you have a beautiful upset, and this is repeatable. In a theoretical environment, you can do about 30 installs in a minute. If you were in a high production environment with everything set up well, you could easily do 10 installs a minute in a practical environment. The tool will not be a limiting force in the speed and success of your installs. This is a great asset to have. Please contact Rivet Nut USA, a division of Cardinal Components, for a quote today on the B107 or its upgraded sister with additional quality features. Here, the B109.